The innovative endovascular stent system consists of a coated stent and a central bundle of thin catheters. Emerging from within each catheter, 4 loops respectively wrap around a quarter of the stent. The prosthesis is folded by tightening the loops, thus moving each catheter outwards to the inner side of the stent. Further pulling on the loops tightens each stent compartment, eventually folding the entire prosthesis. In reverse, the self-expanding stent can be unfolded by reducing the tension on the loops. In a Type A dissection, the catheter is introduced through the femoral artery and retrogradely advanced via the aorta up to the sinotubular junction. The stent is carefully positioned above the coronary openings and fixed in place via precision-controlled expansion. If required, the prosthesis can be refolded and repositioned. Once correctly placed, the stent is disconnected and the catheter retrieved.